Hi my peeps, what's up? Wagwan? Say hi, I'm here.
Welcome back to the channel.
So now guys, I'm here gonna make some corned beef. Well, I'm gonna cook up some corned beef and cabbage, but the boy saying hungry. We're gonna make some sandwich. You know, when Jamaican people are go a beach trip and I go long distance and you want to stay full, you carry some corned beef sandwich with you, you know what I mean? So we are gonna show you how we make it. You can put whatever you want in it. So now he's cutting up some onions. I don't know this style of cutting up onion is your garden Ramsay show him. You keep the back in and you cut it down and then you cut it up. You cut it small, right? Why you don't use the big knife? Why you don't use the big knife? No? Try a big knife. So we're gonna cut some onion. You gotta hold it tight. Hold it tight. Alright, that will do. I'm here. Don't put no more onion. And then you're gonna mince this now. Ooh, it burned my eye.
My eye's fine.
Your eye's fine? Yeah. So anyhow, so basically guys, you just wanna cut them up.
I cut them like, I didn't even cut them like to find, like, you know what I'm saying? I cut it just
open it, let me see. Open this, open it.
Like,
so that's how we do it, guys. And then you cut it down.
Yeah. You cut it like long wheel, and then you turn it to the side. And you cut it again. You get this small. But the first one, then you only cut it once.
Oh, you did cut it once. Okay. Yeah. Okay, anyhow guys, and now you're gonna mince this up. Like cut it real small. You don't want the taste of it. You want the taste, but you don't want to really bite on too much of the big piece. So just cut them up. Alright, so that's that. And you're gonna need some black pepper, some mayonnaise. Have half of leftovers corned beef because I don't give me me corned beef I'm gonna use my video. So it's hard now, so you gotta crush it, or you can put it in the microwave, but it's better to eat cold, okay? What you gonna do now, boss?
You're gonna crush it up?
Yeah. It's a little bit hard because it was in the fridge. Just a little pig. You can put whatever. You can put bell pepper, tomato. Put me tomato back over there so I can make me video.
Hold on.
Guys, I want him to learn how to cook. So when he get older, then I'll give him all type of crab to eat. Right, Amir? You know how to cook and you know what food tastes like. You see, I know some of my mother they cook it, but also you have to learn how to cook it. Look how big and cut up it. Anyhow, you go eat it.
I'm gonna eat it. You can't cut it up small, but time is of the essence.
Okay. You have to tell the people then what you're putting there now.
Them not eat the onion. Onion. I'm not put too much in there. I'm not put no more in there. Okay. Pepper.
So he's putting some black pepper. You
get the mix.
About a tablespoon.
I don't want too much.
So about a tablespoon. Put on in it now. You okay? Okay, about a tablespoon then.
And since my hand them clean,
put that over there. No, use the fork. Use the fork. No, hand can't use. Use the fork, boy. Mix up the thing. Use hand.
Professional.
Yeah. And you mix it. That's it. Simple and easy. You can put some bell pepper in it. I'm here. You can put whatever you want. Some cucumber, like cucumber, bell pepper, whatever. You just make your sandwich. So mix it out now. Crush it and mix it together. Because you're gonna make it form like a boy. Crush the thing out. Cause it have to be like creamy, so you're gonna use it and butter the bread like you know, put it on it. Some good hard-dough bread would work, you know, 2 slices. Yeah, take on the part, yeah, mix it up nice. There you That's good now. Look at that. And that's the corned beef, guys. You can say corned beef salad too, you know. Okay, you can put more stuff in there too.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use this to make the sandwich. Okay, Amir, so you're gonna get the bread. Alright, he's gonna make the sandwich.
Alright. Get some of this.
Take up one, yeah. Take out one eye bread now.
Okay, I'll just lift it.
Okay. This a double whopper. Look, when I make it thick. You know, I left none for nobody, you know, guys. Can you see this greedy boy here, guys? Can you see this, guys? When he done take off one sandwich, none are left for nobody. What the heck what you doing here, Amir?
Yeah.
You see how kids cook from parents, guys? Look there. Look on one sandwich compared to what left. You see it? Put some more. Put some more here and put some more.
So yeah, complain to me I put too much. I
know, but you have to feel the thing right.
Oh.
You can put some cheese. You want to put a little slice of cheese on it? Like one.
What other one there? The mozzarella one.
It's finished.
Cheese.
Oh, cheese. And you can butter the bread if you want, or you can toast it. Alright, Lord God, you might press it down. Okay, alright. Cut the thing now, you press it down. So, what a crazy you are this, man?
I'm not going to cut it, just
Alright, let me show them. Show them, take up this side and show them how it look. Wow. That's it, guys.
It's extra thick.
Yeah. Alright, my peeps. So, this is what my son made. Right, Amir? And he's gonna go dive down in it. And this is some Jamaican corned beef sandwich for you guys. Alright? And he's gonna have some apples. I don't think he's gonna eat the vegetable. You're gonna eat it? You're gonna eat it? Okay. Alright, guys, that's it. Look at it right there. Look at that. With the cheese, yummy, yummy. Alright, my peeps, you can toast it or you can eat it like that. Thanks, Amir. Bye, guys. Oh, and you want to taste it?
Yes.
Taste it. Take a bite. How it tastes? It's good? You see how he done the corned beef, guys? That's what he left out of it. Look. Alright, guys. You have a good day. Bye.